What's good, YouTube? It's me, your boy Firefox, and I came back to the woods. We're at the trail again. Well, it's not me and my mom this time, it's me and my grandparents, but I'm back out here. I'll be ready for part 2, and I'll see you guys when we get to the trail. Alright guys, we're walking. There's the entrance to the trail right there. We're walking right now, and I'll get to the part when we're in the woods. Okay guys, so I just came up from that path, and this is... Damn, that's a long way down, y'all. Alright, I'm about to move on. I don't want to get too closer and fall and kill myself. We're just walking this way, guys. Going to the river. We're walking in the woods right now on this trail. This stuff is tall, man. Oh, there's a bridge right here, guys. Alright, I'll skip to the part when we get to the river, guys. It's right there. Alright, guys, here we go. I'm walking towards the river now. Man, it's nice out here. It's a good view. Alright, y'all, I'll skip to the part when we get to the next place. Hopefully we're gonna go to the waterfall. Alright, I'll see you when we get there. Bye. Okay, y'all, that was the end of the video. Hopefully you guys enjoyed. We couldn't make it to the waterfall because certain reasons, but yeah. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this video overall. Please leave a like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next video. Peace.